Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this messy loose updo hairstyle. To start, we're going to loosely curl the hair. This doesn't have to be perfect. And then I'm just going to apply some volume powder at the crown area and apply a little bit of dry texture spray all over the hair. I'll pop everything I used in the description below. Now we're just going to take the section at the crown and just smooth this back with your fingers and tie it into a clear elastic band. Then we're gently going to pinch and pull that crown area for a little bit of messy volume. I'm then going to take a slice of hair on the right hand side of the head and divide it into 3 sections, and I'm going to cross the left under the middle and then the right under the middle, and then I'm going to add a section of hair to that left hand strand and cross it under the middle, and then add a small section of hair to the right hand strand and cross it under the middle. And we're going to carry on doing this for a couple of inches, so probably about 3 to 4 stitches, and then stop adding hair and just finish it off in a regular 3-strand braid. Then use your fingers to really pinch and pull the braid apart to make it more voluminous. Bring this braid over to the left hand side of that little ponytail and pin it in place. And we're going to take a similar size section on the opposite side of the head, and we're going to twist this towards the head and bring it over to the right hand side and secure it with a bobby pin. And then to keep the twist from moving, I just slip a couple of bobby pins through the centre, and again we're going to pinch and pull the twist apart. Now moving back over to the right hand side, we're going to take another chunk of hair from behind the ear, twist it towards the head and bring it over to the left hand side and pin in place. Again, slip a couple of bobby pins through the centre of your twist to keep it nice and secure. Then pinch and pull your twist apart. Then take another section from the left hand side and we're going to do a fishtail braid. So divide that section in half. And we're going to take a small slice of hair from the left hand strand, cross it over and join it to the right hand strand. Then take a small slice from the right hand strand, cross it over and join the left. So I'll show you once more. Take a small strand from the left hand strand, cross it over and join the right. Take a small piece of hair from the right hand strand, cross it over to join the left hand strand. And we're basically going to carry on braiding this way until we get to the bottom of the hair, and then tie everything off with a clear elastic band. Next we're going to really pinch and pull the very edges of this braid to make it nice and voluminous, and bring it over to the right hand side of the head and pin in place. Now we're going to gather the remaining hair into a low ponytail, leaving some hair out at the nape, and on the last turn only pull the tail ends part way through to create a loop. Now using your fingers we're going to pinch and pull it in opposite directions and then just pin it to the nape of the neck to create a messy bun. So keep pinching and pulling it apart and pin in place, the messier the better. Then with the tail ends I'm just going to add a clear elastic band to the end, again making a little loop, spread it apart and push it up into the bottom of that bun and secure with another few bobby pins. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.